Anybody who feels like at times you lose faith and you just need a sign, some kind of sign that things are going to get better. So if you have some kind of sign out there, if it's a smile for your friend, if it's a newborn baby, if it's a flower you see growing up through a crack in the sidewalk, this is for you. I hold my camera so far away so I can take a picture of the world today. See all the people on the streets today. Some are laughing, some are crying, some are stressed today. I wanna know which one of you. Sometimes it's hard to see inside of you, but if you look up in the skies, I see one shining bright. It's just me sending you a message from a satellite, saying, hey, we got a long, long road today. No way I can never, ever make it alone. On my own, such a long way to go. So up next to me and show me a sign today. Hey, we got a long, long road today. No way I can never, ever make it alone. On my own, such a long way to go. So walk next to me and show me a sign today. Show me a sign today. Show me a sign today. 'Cause I can never make it without you.